Big Country back with another one. How's she looking, y'all? Let's talk about that mystery box charger handler from Delta Teams Tactical. Yes, I love it. Fair Zero boat carrier. It's coming along good, y'all. Y'all let me know how y'all like it.